Hello, it is McKenna Morgan, content editor of License Global, back here at BLE 2025. We are about to interview Claire Piggott of Lark's Head Licensing, where they make licensed products like this possible.
This is actually my 31st year of being part of the licensing industry, but Lark's Head Licensing itself has been going since about 2018, and what I've really looked to do with the company is build a portfolio of brands that have kind of gradually diversified across age groups. I think there's been a tremendous amount of change, and some of those are external forces as well as kind of internal forces, some of which are beyond our control, and some of which hopefully we will have a place in shaping how those discussions go forward. Some of the existential crises, if I can call them that are kind of creeping in certainly to discussions, not only kind of funding for children's content, which involves all of us as an industry because we feed on the content in certain instances for certain categories, for certain brands, and that's very important. The other area where we're still all learning and very much feeling our way is with the rise of AI. And we represent artists, and so we're very sensitive to the needs of creatives and how we actually protect their interests moving forward. And I think from a category and from an industry perspective, that's something that's going to keep on resonating. But I think we have to work hard as an industry to protect our creative feeling and how we work with artists as well. So we're launching quite a few new products this year at the show, and we've kind of kept our powder dry so we can talk to retailers and the wider industry about those here as well. A partnership that we're launching here at the show as well is with Ravensburger, and that is with Sophie Jonas-Hill, and that was a deal that took a while to come to market, but it is a global deal, and it's lovely to see an artist that has a unique style really out there for the puzzler market in general now as well. I think in this instance, size really doesn't matter, because I think when you work with an agency that's really focused on you as a brand, that's really developing a customized licensing strategy for you and is there with you step by step every part of that journey, what you get to know is you really get into the DNA of the brand. You work very closely with the artist, and then you're able to craft particular ranges that suit that artist. And things like the Ravensburger range, for example, I think really highlight that, and how we've worked on a European basis for her with a sort of German glassware company as well, to really look at how her very particular pen and ink style can be taken into a fantastically etched series of sort of light up glassware as well. The brands that we choose to work with generally have unique messaging. What we like to focus on is, for example, what are the best educational outcomes that we can develop for children, so that we make sure we're developing products and we're supporting our licensors in that way. How do we support crafting and make and do at a time where children are wanting to express themselves in all kinds of different ways? And then how do we celebrate creative talent with the range of kind of female artists that we work with as well? And that's why we're here at the show, and we're really looking for partnerships that give us the opportunity to showcase the broad range of talent of all of our licensors.